looks like it's time for us to head to the shop early because we are having quite some difficulties, and we got to get this fixed, and this definitely needs to be addressed. Hey, hold on. Y'all see something over there? See, you gotta watch out for these rodents. There's one chilling right underneath the daggone car. Yeah, but we gotta definitely get this to the shop because I'm having difficulty starting this thing, and I don't even know exactly why that is. One thing could be was that the camshaft positioning sensor, I don't believe that has been changed, to be honest. So we're gonna take it to this guy. It's another spot not too far from here, but we just needed to start and we could make the drive up there, and we're pretty much good. And let's see if this will even start with one key turn. Fingers crossed, folks. Oh wow, see, it started with one key turn so far, so we're pretty much good. So what we're gonna do is just go straight there and let this guy work his magic, and we'll be back. Finally, we have made it to the shop, so this is where I took it at. So hopefully it is the sensor which you can get rid of the hard ignition start part. So now car's getting ready. So I get a chance to look at everything real good. And I think I got a freaking nail in the tire. I did not see this. I'm gonna have to get that nail out. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to get that nail out. So I didn't see that. Gotta love New York City though. Get a chance to look at everything. That's what it's gonna run so good. And I also gotta replace the chassis bridge though. I gotta fix a few more things though. And I was told that the camshaft positioning sensor was changed, so we're about to find out now. And here it is. And checking it out. Oh, look at this. Look at all this stuff still. And I'm not even chatting on this side. Cause I was hearing like a noise on this side, but not as much that I must have ran over something. I'm not even 100% sure, and then that happened from the driveway. But all the trees and stuff fell. It's a lot to look at though. Alright, and I think we have found it. Now here's the moment of truth, so we'll see if the other mechanic actually changed the daggone sensor, because he's saying that he did. And from what I was looking at on the YouTube videos, and even to now, that the camshaft positioning sensor, I mean, some I guess you probably could do it from the top. I'm not even 100% sure. I gotta look at more videos though. But the location on where mine's is at, I was told that he changed it, which I doubted that he even changed it. And look where the location is. And here is the old one. Yeah. Alright, and new one's right here. So the position of the camshaft positioning sensor is actually underneath where the transmission is at, which is right there. So now this is very questionable, because how was he able to change it? The car was parked by the wall. See, no one is going in. I don't think he even bothered to change it. See, but that was easy. That was a 1, 2, 3 thing. See, if I had to lift on the tools, I would have tried to do it myself. Oh yeah, and tire rods, like yeah, we're definitely gonna change that, because that's the only thing that's leaking on here. As y'all can definitely see. And we're about to find out this is the culprit. The old one, old camshaft positioning sensor, is right here. So this is it right here. You can tell there's like a little bit of oil on here. So the moment of truth, we just gotta see it this thing actually starts you know, with no problems. I keep saying crankshaft positioning sensor. My fault, guys. But this is the culprit right here. But let's see if that get rid of hard and long time ignition starts in this car. See what happens. Alright, so we got the scan tool that's about to come real quick. But at least we know that sensor was changed. That was changed like less than 5 minutes ago. So we got a handy dandy scan tool that's about to go in there and see what else is going on. There is one more sensor that has to be changing it, but I just gotta get the name of it. So it's got the crankshaft positioning sensor post is clear, and you have the electrical thing which has to get fixed though. But that's a $200 sensor supposedly that I heard from another user. It started off with 1 key turn. So far, so good. But let's see what else is happening though. But the thing about it is that it started off with 1 key turn right there. So far, maybe that probably could be the culprit. Not 100% sure though, but that's why I said if it's bad wiring, because I still got a little bit more wires that I gotta fix. I gotta see how that's gonna go. But as long as it doesn't cut off on me while driving, I mean, we're pretty much good. But those are the only 2 codes that I have. But it might be more underlying issues. Hopefully, nothing that's catastrophic though. But the good news is that at least we know that it's not, you know, engine or transmission related. So that's the good news. So it has to be, you know, any old sensors or anything that was left on the body of the car, not the motor. So let's see what's going on. Alright, cool. Like I said, we have no lights on except for the airbag light. That's the only issue that we have. But we are flowing good. So let's see how it does later on during the day. We're good. So far, we're good. We're good. Alright, we have made it back to the job, you know, I guess with like no problems. And this is pretty dope. Like, we have no engine lights on, no nothing, and I don't think the camshaft positioning sensor was even changed at all. So that's why you gotta do like your due diligence. Like, this even goes for me, that you just can't trust any mechanic out there, you know, and be careful, you know, as far as spending money, unnecessary money, because then some of them will have you do that. I mean, some are dishonest, and you just gotta be wary with that. Other than that, like, yeah, here's the old one. I mean, I know I showed it earlier, but this is the old one. Hold on, I'm trying to see if I can get it out. This is the old sensor right here though, or the camshaft, and I'm not sure if this thing was even changed or not, but at least I could physically see from this mechanic that it's been changed. So he started the car up like 4 times while I was sitting there, and no issues. So hopefully that will you know, take care of my starting issue. And then we have another one that has something to do with the steering wheel, like something with the steering wheel controls or on here or something like that, but that's an easy fix. My main concern was getting this to, you know, to run and start and drive without any difficulties. So that was my issue. And as far as anything else concerned, yeah, that is pretty much it. And I gotta get ready to set up. So I'm not gonna drag this video any longer, and that is just about it though. But as always, I know this is a short vlog, and don't worry, we have more meets coming up. I just hope I'll be able to get my new plates from the DMV on time. If not, I'm gonna have to use another vehicle until I get the replacement for this ones, because these joints gonna have to go back. And that's just about it. But anyway, not to even drag this vlog out any longer. So as always, I mean, if you like this video, I mean, like, comment, and subscribe. And like I said, as always, if you want to see anything, I mean, do anything, or as far as car events, or you want to see something new, just don't be afraid. Like, write it in the comment section. You know, it's right there. You know, you can type. Feel free. And I'll definitely be seeing y'all in the next one. So stay tuned.